Welcome back to my channel. My name is Iris, and today I would like to share a Dyson Airwrap tutorial. And why I am interested in doing this is because I recently received the Dyson Airwrap as an early Christmas present. This is the 2021 holiday edition. Currently, I believe that Dyson is completely out of stock on its official website for this specific Airwrap, but if you are interested, I think I saw on Sephora that they are still carrying this, but it does not include the special accessories like the two hairbrushes that Dyson is gifting with this purchase. But still, if you are interested in getting this one, check out your local Sephora or their website in your local area. I have been using this Airwrap for a few weeks now. I've been loving it, and yeah, it was a learning curve though, to be completely honest. It's not your typical hair styler, so you do need to get the hang of things. It sucks in the air and you have to kind of work with it with your hand to have the right amount of wrist strength so you're not pulling too hard and then your hair kind of just falls out completely. I've been watching a lot of other tutorials by other Instagram accounts and also YouTuber accounts, so I'll link those at the end of the video, and you can also check out down in the description below for those links. Yeah, if you're interested, I did an unboxing and a little bit of a quick review of the Airwrap in my previous video. I'll link that up here and also in the description below as well. But let's get to today's tutorial. So today's tutorial is going to mainly focus on using the Dyson Airwrap to create beach waves. To specify how I use the Airwrap based on the settings here. So what you have are three sections. In this area, you have the airflow speed, which has three settings. I always go to the max setting here. Here you have your heat settings, which is just cold all the way, and then two hotter settings. I go with max temperature. And when you're using the Airwrap, this turns it on. Once you hold on to it, this will turn on. But when you want to use the cool shot, set the hair, you have to push it further to the top and hold again. The first step is to prepare the hair, and I use the Oribe Royal Blowout Styling Hairspray to protect my hair from the heat and to also hold my curls with the Dyson Airwrap. I usually use two sprays and then apply to the hair with my fingers. I like to use my Airwrap with dry hair because I am a bit lazy, so for this tutorial you will only see me with dry hair. The next step is to use the soft smoothing brush head to take out tangles and to make sure the hair is ready to curl. You then want to switch to the 40mm or 30mm short barrels, depending on your type of hair. Just a quick tutorial on how to use the attachments for the Dyson Airwrap. So here on the Airwrap, you can see that there is the lock and unlock button here, and this is for your attachments. So in this video, I use two specifically. It's the soft smoothing brush and also the 30mm short barrels. So with the soft smoothing brush, when I attach this on, this is the front of the Airwrap, and here you just pop it in. Make sure you twist it a little bit just to see if it's snug, and then you're good to go. If you want to change your attachment head, you turn it to the back here, which has the unlock button when you push down, and then you just pop it off. So with each of the attachments, there is a specific cool touch point just to protect you from like burning yourself. So with the brushes, you usually want to have your hand at the back here and pull. And with the barrels, you want to have the tips here and pull off from there. With the barrels, you do the same as you would with the brush. This is the front of the air wrap, pop it in and twist. Make sure it's secure and you're good to go again. To undo, at the back, push down to activate the unlock button, and then don't do this is gonna burn you. Cool tip, and pull out. So now that we have set up the Dyson and changed our attachment to the short barrels, you want to section your hair. I like to do it with a hair tie and hair clip. And in this, you can see that I use my Balmain hair clip that I got from my Balmain hair couture haul that you can check out in my shorts playlist, and I'll also link it up in the corner and in the description below. Turn on the air wrap, put it upside down, and make sure the arrows are pointing away from the face. Manually wrap the hair around the air wrap and keep the air wrap in place for 15 seconds. After, you push the cold shot button and hold for around 10 seconds to set the curl. Then you turn off the air wrap and slowly and gently let go of the curl. If the barrel arrows do not go away from the face, you will not get the right curl. So here you can see I actually used the wrong barrel. It's turning in towards my face, and when I let go of the curl, it's quite messy. Here I am doing the right side, so I switched my barrel. So here we fast forward to me curling the final section of my hair, and this is still the right side, so the barrel arrows are still pointing to the opposite direction of my face, and they're going to the right. This is the left side, so I switched up my barrel again to make sure that the arrows are facing away from my face. Now they are pointing to the left. Here is the finished product. I am quite happy with the result, as the air wrap did a great job of keeping the curls and holding them, and it has 50% less damage compared to using a regular curler, so big win. And here is the right side, and the back. All looks very neat and clean. Here are some accounts that I would like to share with you because they do a great job of Dyson Airwrap tutorials. I hope today's video was helpful for you to understanding how to use the Dyson Airwrap to create beach waves. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and turn on post notifications, and I'll see you next time. Bye!